Scripting for Unity Game Development course. In this course, you will learn everything you need to create your own C# scripts for fully functional Unity games. Hi, I am Raja, founder of Charger Games. I have created some of the most popular Unity and C# scripting tutorials that have been watched over 4 million times. I have also created some of the best-selling game development courses with hundreds of 5-star reviews and 10,000 plus enrolled students. In this course, I will walk you through absolute basic concepts of programming in C# and Unity. Even if you have never coded before, you are absolutely fine. You will learn Unity's scripting API with lots of real practical examples. Then you will learn intermediate C# scripting concepts and apply these skills by building a fully functional 2D game from start to finish. Once that's done, you will learn to write C# scripts for mobile devices, implement basic game AI, and use version controlling. Finally, you will build a fully functional 3D game from start to finish. If you want to learn C# scripting from scratch and looking for the perfect guide, enroll now, get started, and I will see you inside.